We are all packed up and ready to go to Grandma and Grandpa's house, and our truck won't start. It is still super duper cold outside, and our truck is saying, no thanks, not into that right now. We've got all our stuff lined up at the door, all ready to go. Coco's stuff. We're leaving the cat behind. We've got our egg cartons to return to the people that we get eggs from. Everything is ready to go. We just need Tron to decide that it's okay and it's gonna work with us today. So it's been plugged in for a couple of hours, but we have been experiencing some really ridiculously cold weather. I have not been outside for days. I did do a quick vacuum. We got rid of all of the bags of recycling, of wrapping paper and boxes and all of that stuff, so the house looks a little tidier. Some of the Christmas stuff has started to come down, just kind of tucking things away so that it's not overwhelming when we get back.
One eternity later.
We are stopped for gas. It is actually just, the wind is unbelievable. The video footage doesn't do it any justice at all as far as what type of storm we just drove through, but it was pretty much blizzard-like conditions. It was super duper hard to see. So we are just stopping for gas. The dog had to get out, and then we're going to be back on the road. We're about halfway at this point, so we still have a ways to go and some winter roads ahead of us.
And this one? What is that?
We got matching ones.
You do?
Actually. Abby, how come I forgot anything to undo a bow? I don't know how to undo those. See, I'm carrot. Oh, there you go. Good carrot right on carrot. And a new skull. I'm gonna use this one for ocean. I made this. Alright, I gotta grab something real quick. I need Ocean's jacket. Howdy! Cute jacket. Snowman! Look how cute this jacket is. Look at mine, Abby. Oh my! That is so cute! It opens at the bottom. Happy fall, y'all. I'm gonna touch you.
Half a box of gluten-free Bretons.
Oh, look how cute these are. Oh, this is so cute because of these. Hey, finally. Hey. Hey. That's a Walmart gift card.
What?
I know. That means I can buy what I want. Ah.
Oh, you're welcome, sweetheart.
What'd you get, Kato?
So
I forgot what they're called.
Yes.
a sorcerer's robe.
Yes, you are now a sorcerer. We hereby knight you, sorcerer. Can you say sorcerer, Kaden?
Can you stand up? Can you stand up for a minute?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it have profits?
Yeah.
I feel like you need to wear this the whole time we're here. What you got on your face there, Jay?
Lamb chops.
No.
Side chops.
You're really pretty.
Chop, chop, chop.
This is fancy. Who tied your bow?
Really?
Nice. You are
The
so
best
chicky.
bow tire in five.
So what are you guys doing down here?
Watching TV.
What are you watching?
A black screen.
And how about you? Are you done knitting your scarf? Is that what that is? What are you knitting?
It's a head.
She has 2 spoons, 2 green spoons, and she's knitting this beautiful. You're amazing. Oh, and now you're sewing.
Yeah.
You're incredible. You are quite the seamstress.
I'm trying to get it off.
For First thing this morning, the girls were backed to toilet paper and Kleenex boxes, and now Caden's helping them clean up. Addie just stands there and blocks them. Get her, Caden! We made it in after 11 last night, so by the time that we got all our stuff in and visited and all of that, it was well past midnight, and then heading to bed, getting all the kids to bed. We did not get to sleep until closer to 1, and then up again at about 8:30, kind of awake around that time. It has been a fun day. It felt like Christmas. Grandma and Grandpa gave gifts. We've just been hanging out. It's cold outside, not as cold as it could be, but it's still pretty cold. Kids are just hanging out playing, and it has been a super fun and relaxing day.